This is Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. Collaborations or partnerships can definitely explode your business, or it could waste your time. So here's how you can make sure that your collaborations bring clients your way and not just temporary attention. As entrepreneurs, we want to collaborate with others because by collaborating with others, the idea is we're sharing an audience, right? So if you have, it's your audience and then it's their audience. You decide to collaborate with somebody, right? And now this person gets to tap into your audience and you get to tap into their audience. So now you guys are sharing this pool of audience members, right? And that can be a great way to get attention on your business. Okay. The problem is that attention that we get could fizzle out just like that. So as soon as you collaborate on a podcast or an IG live or Facebook live, whatever you're collaborating on, as soon as you're done with that collaboration, your podcast, your episode ends, right? That collaboration ends, you find out that none of your buyers were in that audience. Okay. And the reason being is you probably were collaborating with somebody whose niche, whose industry was so different that their audience are not interested in what you have to offer. And it could be vice versa. So in order to eliminate this problem, okay, here are 3 things that you can do to make sure that when you do collaborate or partner up with someone or a business, that you're not just gaining limited attraction. Instead, you're actually gaining potential buyers and actually recruiting new audience members into your audience pool, okay? Step number 1, what you want to do is find an influencer or a business or a brand, somebody who has a large amount or a large audience, okay, that has a similar audience type or target audience that you do. The only difference is that they solve a different problem. So, for example, if you are a business coach, right, you might want to partner up with a brand expert. You both solve a specific audience, right? Entrepreneurs, business owners, business leaders, but you solve different problems, right? The business coach is more coaching on how to run a business, a successful business, and a branding expert is teaching a business how to properly brand the business to become successful, right? So by merging or by collaborating or partnering and doing a podcast or an IG live or whatever the project is, they're now able to share their audience and it's more of a win-win, right? Because now they can actually share an audience that shares similar interests, okay? Step number 2, when you are finding these influencers, when you're finding these business brands, you just don't want to just reach out and say, hey, let's partner up. Hey, let's collaborate. Let's just do it, right? No, we want to have some kind of planning behind it, right? You want to present to them what type of value that you offer by collaborating with them. So you want to almost pitch to them how you can help their audience succeed and highlight that by collaborating, it's going to be a win-win. So not just, hey, let's collaborate, but explain to them why it would be beneficial. So it makes it so easy that they see the value and they just want to dive in and their effort to make sure that the collaboration is successful is a lot higher than if you just say, let's collaborate, right? Make sense? So then step number 3 would be not just again collaborating, but now how can we combine both of our offers so that we bring value to our audience pool, or now combined audience pool, right? So again, from the example of the business coach, right? The business coach might have a program that they want to offer as far as take my coaching program and I can help you with XYZ, right? That's the offer from the coaching or the business coach. And then the brand expert might say, I'll help you with a brand kit. They might actually offer, helping the clients or the audience create their brand identity, right? Creating their logo, their color scheme, how they're going to message their wording, how they're going to create their content strategy, right? So that's their offer. They're going to try to find a way to collaborate, to combine those two offers and bring value to the audience. So the new offer might be, or the collaboration offer might be, if you create, or if you join, or if you purchase this offer today while we're doing this project, this collaboration, okay, not only will you get our the business coach program, but you'll also get a chance to get your brand identity set up, and it's only going to cost you half the price, right? You're finding a way to collaborate not just on the content, but now on the offer. So that way, again, this is a win-win, not, well, I guess it's a win-win-win, right? It's a win for you. It's a win for the brand or business that you're collaborating with. And now it's also a win for your combined audience, right? So again, those are 3 easy steps that you can take so that when you're collaborating with others, when you are partnering with others, you're not just getting, again, these temporary views. Instead, you are getting customers that want to purchase from you. They want to watch your content even more. And again, you have this win-win-win setup, and it's not a waste of your time. Okay, so why don't you make a list of 3 potential people or businesses that you can go ahead and collaborate with, partner up with, and then DM one of them with a specific value-driven idea. Okay, showcase that win-win with them. Then come back and tell me in the comments who you've decided to collaborate with. I can't wait to see your great ideas, friend. All right, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining. Till next time, stay bright, stay beautiful, and keep on smiling. Later, Gator. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in having an interview or sponsoring the show, then check the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.